The court-martial of a Fort Campbell soldier accused of killing his pregnant wife in September of 2021 has been postponed. Fort Campbell, where you at? Many of you watched my very first TikTok when I covered the brutal murder of 33-year-old pregnant mother Meghan Santiago. After the attack, Meghan was rushed to the hospital where, unfortunately, she did not survive. However, miraculously, the doctors were able to save the baby. After her death, Meghan's husband, an active-duty soldier by the name of Joseph Santiago, was charged with her murder, and his court-martial began last week. However, his trial has been halted in its tracks. After the court-martial began with jury selection, the first 14-panel jury was completely dismissed for one reason or another. And while a non-biased jury was ultimately impaneled, another issue arose, and this issue paused the entire court-martial. Clarksville Now reported that there was an objection to some evidence. The judge specifically ruled against the admissibility of said evidence, at which point the government, aka the prosecutors, told the judge they would be appealing that decision. And with that, the court-martial was postponed indefinitely until 1. the government files their appeal, and 2. the Army Court of Criminal Appeals rules on the appeal. These types of mid-trial appeals are not very common, so I imagine that the evidence that was not admitted by the trial judge is a key piece of evidence for the prosecution. I only imagine that the decision to postpone the court-martial has been devastating for Meghan's family, especially because they've been waiting to get justice for her. All I'll say is prayers for the continued strength for Meghan's family, but especially for Meghan's 3 children. I will keep everyone posted when the case resumes, so be sure to click follow.